Hi, welcome to my channel, Lulu Live, and today in this video I will be doing a Burlington Coat Factory haul. The other night I went to Burlington Coat Factory for like the first time because I don't usually shop there, and I bought a bunch of stuff for less than $100. So I'm doing a haul for you to show you what I got. Some of the things that I bought I did try on, but a lot of it I hadn't already. So this is a partial first time try on for you. I'm holding on to my receipt in case I decide to return things, like the things that I didn't try on yet. I bought 7 tops in total for $95.93. So take everything off except for my tank top, and I'll show you what the first thing looks like. So this is the first top that I'm going to try on for you. It is a long sleeve sweater-like top. I got this in a size 1X. I'm not really sure what that means because I don't usually dress plus size. But it's from a brand called Workshop Republic Clothing. I'm not familiar with it at all. It started at $68 and I got it for only $16.99. It reminds me of a shirt that I saw the other day at Macy's that I didn't get but I wanted, and this is like a million times cheaper. It's not too bad actually. The sleeves are like long, and even though I have long arms, it's not like too long. It's kind of short. But I find that a lot of the stuff at the store are petite, and I'm not petite by any means. These slits on the side, it's kind of weird looking, and then it like lays okay on the back side, but then the front it just like pops out. Like that's how you know it's a 1X, I guess. I really don't know what 1X means. I tried on this top at the store. It is short sleeve, so I would definitely have to wear something over it for work, like a cardigan or a blazer or something. Because I thought this detail here was really pretty, and it had a lace, but it's not too sexy. And the neckline here is like a scoop neck. It's appropriate up here. It's just like this. Top. And this shirt is from a brand called Emma and Olive. I'm not really familiar with them either. It doesn't have the original price on it, but I got it for $10.99. I thought that was a really good deal at the time. It's a button-down blouse, 3/4 sleeves, and it is, oh wait, the one from before. The black top from before this was an extra large. This one's a large. It's from a brand called Kokomo. Never heard of them. And it doesn't have the original price on it either, but this one was $10.99. It had a silver buttons. It has a couple pockets here. I don't know what you would put in it. It's more for like decoration. And the neckline's okay. It's longer on the front and the back than it is like the sides have like slits here, and it has like this ridgy, ruffly effect kind of thing going on in the front. So this is what it looks like. And it has like a slit thing going on the side here. Then I got this blouse. It's from Tommy Hilfiger. It's in an extra large. It's a white polka dot blouse button down with this thing going on here. I don't know what you call it. I'm not sure what the original price is because again, actually no, it's here on the arm. It doesn't say. Never mind. They got rid of the original price. They covered over it or something. I can't tell. But yeah, it doesn't say the original price. I bought it for $19.99. feels comfortable. I would probably have to button it up a little more for work so that, you know, not too much is showing. But I got makeup on it, so that's not good. The sleeves are a little big, baggy, but the rest of it fits well. Yeah, I got a little makeup here on my foot, wipe that off. It's pretty good. And I picked out this purple sweater with these buttons going down the sleeves on the side. And it's long sleeve and from a brand I never heard of again called Olivia Blue. It's an extra large and they got rid of the original price, but I bought it for $12.99. So it has again these slits on the side. I'm starting to see a trend here, but it's nice. It's comfy. I like it. It has a scoop neck, and then I have this blouse from Eve and Maddie. Don't know them. It was also an extra large. It's 3/4 sleeves and it's yellow. I don't know what the original price was, but I bought it for $10.99. I felt it, it caught my eye. I like the front, and then on the back it's solid. It kind of feels tight. I might get rid of the shirt because it's like tight here. Everywhere else it goes okay, so I don't know. And then there's one more shirt. This blouse is very interesting. I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it'd be nice to wear. It's from a brand called Premise Studio, don't know them, and it started at $58. I bought it for $12.99. It's also in an extra large. This is what the sleeves look like. I feel like I'm gonna fly with it. I hope you enjoyed my Burlington Coat Factory haul.